Midnight, most finance channels won't tell you this because their sponsors would drop them. This is everywhere right now. Let's dive in. 0-30 First Impressions. Raw and honest. The video claims 5 stock market strategies for beginners in 2026. It sounds promising, but let's see if it holds up under scrutiny. The presenter seems confident, but confidence isn't always backed by facts. Let's fact check. 130 Deeper Analysis. Claim number 1. The first strategy is about diversification. The video suggests spreading investments across various sectors to minimize risk. This is solid advice. Diversification is a cornerstone of smart investing. But let's pause here because this is important. How diversified should you be? According to a study by Vanguard, 2025, having between 15 to 20 individual stocks can capture most of the benefits of diversification. More isn't always better. 2 o'clock, the video also mentions using ETFs for easier diversification. This is spot on. ETFs offer exposure to a basket of stocks, reducing the need to pick individual winners. But which ETFs? Not all are created equal. For instance, the SPDR S&P 500 ETF, SPY, tracks the S&P 500 index, providing broad market exposure. 3 o'clock, Deeper Analysis. Claim number 2. The second strategy focuses on long-term investing. The video advises holding onto stocks for years, riding out market fluctuations. This is generally sound advice. Historically, the stock market has shown positive returns over the long term. Data from the Federal Reserve, 2026, shows that despite short-term volatility, the S&P 500 has averaged around 10% annual returns since its inception. 3:30, however, the video glosses over the importance of regular portfolio reviews. Markets change, and so should your investments. A yearly review can help you rebalance and stay aligned with your goals. Neglecting this step could lead to an unoptimized portfolio. 5 o'clock, Deeper Analysis. Claim number 3. The third strategy involves investing in tech stocks, specifically mentioning NVDA. The video claims NVDA is a surefire winner. While NVIDIA has been a powerhouse in the tech sector, claiming it's a surefire winner is risky. 5:30, according to a recent report by Bloomberg, 2026. While NVIDIA has shown impressive growth, it's also highly volatile. Investors should consider their risk tolerance before diving in. Moreover, other tech stocks like PLTR have also shown strong performance. Diversifying within the tech sector might be a safer bet. 7 o'clock, What They Got Right. The video correctly emphasizes the importance of diversification and long-term investing. These are fundamental principles that beginners should understand. It also highlights the potential of tech stocks, which have been driving market growth. 7:45, What They Got Wrong. The video oversimplifies some concepts. It doesn't delve into the specifics of diversification or the importance of regular portfolio reviews. Additionally, claiming NVIDIA as a surefire winner without considering risk is misleading. 8:30, The Bigger Picture. Understanding these strategies is crucial for beginners. However, it's equally important to approach them with caution and do thorough research. The stock market can be unpredictable, and no strategy guarantees success. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, The Sister's Revenge, 3 months later. Do not miss it. 9 o'clock.